Shouldn't hear you make a sound of the bubble in your mouth. Oh, face forward with your hands nicely in front of you. And I would request that your hands go in your lap because for some reason during our ELA lesson, you just decided that you got to do this the whole time, which was not a good choice. If you want to fidget, that's totally fine. Just don't put it in your, like, so you're so distracted by it. Fidget in your lap so that it's not less of a distraction. So that hopefully your brain can still focus on what's in front of you, which should be me and not your hands. Okay? Does that make sense? Yeah, you can kind of do that like down below or fidget with your thumbs down below, but just don't fidget with your like fingers right in front of your hands because then guess what? This is all you're focused on. Okay, you can't focus on our lesson. You can't focus on me if that's what you're doing. So try fidgeting down here. Okay, and fidgeting is a good strategy. It helps us kind of get some of that excess energy out. Okay, but just we need to find a way to do it appropriately. So, Haiti, I think Mr. Squatrito is timing you. Is he?
Not yet.
Oh, not yet.
Waiting to hear that.
I think everybody's got it.
Okay, well, I just looked at me.
Okay, so first graders, we are doing, I'm going to scratch my face so bad. I'm trying to keep my hands off of it. We are doing module 1, lesson 38. Lesson 38. We are, we need to like use repeated things and reasoning in order to help solve problems, right? If we see problems that are repeated, we use that to help solve problems. I think I had something in my mouth. All right. So, here, we're not playing. Here's my wreck. What a silly name, huh? All right. I want you guys to see, look, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 beads that are over here. How many more beads do we need to make 10? How many more beads do we need to make 10? And now, if you're cold, put your sweater back on. It is very cold in here, okay? You don't need to sit there and shiver. Put that sweatshirt back on. It is in the mid-50s in this classroom, which is warm when you're kind of in the sun. It's not too bad. When you're in a classroom that has cement floors and sun shining on you, it feels pretty cold. So you can keep your jackets on. Okay, how many more do we need to add to 4 to make 10? Oh, Hayden.
5.
Oh, not 5. Close, but no tomato. Ellie? 6. Very good. Right? 4 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 beads together make 10. So we would do 4 plus, and we have what equals 10. And we go, oh my goodness. Oh. 4 plus 6 equals 10. Very good. Very good.
10 minus 6.
Okay, so if I have 10 here and I have 3 more down here, what number do I have? Maximilian? What number do I have? I still need a nice, beautiful face, like focused up here, honey. Elizabeth? How many is this? 10. And 3 is 13. 13. If we say that the 10 way, we'd say 10, 3, which is 13. It's one group of 10s and 3 1s. Very good. Okay. All right. Now, what if we're just going to do a couple more? I have 7 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 plus what equal 10? Oh, Danny.
3.
3. Very good. 7 plus 3 equal 10. Now what? So move those over. So I've got 10 up here. And I have 4 down here. How many do I have, Miranda?
So 10 plus 4 equals 13.
14, right? And when we say it the say 10 way, it's 10, 4, 14. Okay, very good. All right, we're going to move along. Okay, boys and girls, you guys are awesome. Let's keep going. I see lots of active learners. Faces up, ears on, hands trying to be still. You guys are very good, at least still, or they're not bugging you, right? Let's see. Jimmy and Anaya were comparing beads that they picked up. Jimmy picked up 9 beads. 5 of them were red and the rest were white. Anaya picked up 5 red beads and 4 white beads. Anaya said they had the same number of beads, of white beads. Is Anaya correct? We're going to draw a picture to prove it. Don't just say, no, we're going to prove it. We're not just guessing. Okay, so let's think. Okay, so Jimmy, let's see. We said Jimmy picked up 9 beads. I'm going to clear this. Okay, Jimmy picked up 9 beads. Here's my J for Jimmy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Whew, there's Jimmy's 9 beads. Okay, now Jimmy picked up 9 beads. 5 of them were red and the rest were white. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 were red and the rest are white. Right? Okay, hold on. Hold your horses there. I'm so glad you're excited. Miss Anaya picked 5 red beads and 4 white beads. Anaya picked up 5 red beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 4 red beads. 1, 2, 3, 4. Red and white. Okay, now Anaya said they picked up the same number of white beads. Is she correct? Give me a thumbs up if you think Anaya was correct. Give me a thumbs down if you think Anaya was wrong. Ooh, I see lots of thumbs up. If you have a thumb up, you're correct. Because look, Jimmy has 1, 2, 3, 4. Anaya has 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Now, because we're doing a word problem, we need to also have our answers in words. Okay, so we would say, Anaya, Jimmy, stop it. Is, do we know how to spell is? That's one of our sight words we should have learned in kindergarten. Is.
I-S.
Jimmy, I'm not going to ask you again. You need to stop disrupting my class by being so loud. Okay, now I want to say right. Do I know how to spell it? Well, Miss Kennison might, but I'm a first grader right now. I'm a first grader. Is it okay if I don't know how to spell it as long as I can make the sounds so that Miss Kennison or somebody else could read it? Absolutely. What letter goes Ooh, I see lots of hands. Anaya? R. Very good. I. What letter goes I? Ellie? I. What letter goes T? Ooh, I see lots of. Jimmy? Sit down. You do not fling your coat into your neighbor's face. I have told you, you need to stop disrupting your classmates. Jimmy, look at me. Stop. You flung it into Elizabeth's face, then you almost flung it again into Danny's. Sit down. Ay, right. Sorry. Goodness gracious. Maximilian. T. There you go. Is it spelled perfect? No. Can Miss Kennison read it and figure out what it says? Yes. I also Notice I put spaces between my words. Otherwise, it would look like this. Anaya's right. Sit. Is that a sentence or just a word? Right? That's just one word. When you squish them all together, you need to make sure to put spaces between your words. So that's your little writing lesson in the middle of your math lesson. Oh, fun. Oh, fun. All right, so Anaya's right. And Anaya, thank you for making those letter sounds. That's just what you need to be doing in your own work, right? Here's the sound. I'm going to write the letter that goes with it. Is it perfect? No. Does it have to be? No. Jimmy? Okay, Mr. Squatrito, my friend needs a talk. He's either a turtle or he's disrupting everyone around him. So, all right, boys and girls. Oh man, I need my projector thing. Get your arms out of your coat. Take your hood off of your head and sit there like a gentleman. Oh my goodness. Hayden, you too. Okay, I wish I had my projector. I think I have this. I have this paper. I have a... You've now been asked 3 times. Mr. Squatrito asked you, I asked you, and Mr. Squatrito asked you again. Not very nice. Okay, hold on. Oh, I want to freeze this real quick. I have the addition chart, which I forgot I didn't have my projector in here, man. Well, by the time I set it up, I forgot it wasn't in here like set up. I just momentarily lost my brain. If I
You open a lot of tabs.
I do open a
She
lot
likes
of
your
tabs.
tabs.
What I like.
Turn in your spine.
Right, Miss Kennison?
What?
Two.
Okay. Do lesson 13 from the 7.
Ah. Ah.
You are done, and I said
Okay.
to turn it in.
Okie dokie artichokes. Okay.
Cranky.
Oh no. Oh no.
You don't want to cranky Mr.
Don't make Mr. Squatrito cranky.
Then he will be angry.
No, he'll just be grouchy. Okay. Okay. So if you guys are looking at a addition chart, you might find that it's kind of helpful. What is my phone? Okay. Because when you look at it, 0 plus 1 plus 0 is?
What?
Oh, I love that Ellie showed me on her fingers. That was awesome. Way to go, Ellie. Thank you, Jimmy. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Those of you. Okay, 1. Let's see if that works. There we go. 1 plus 1 is? Oh, I see lots of fingers showing me 2. Thank you. 1 plus 2 is? I see fingers showing me 3 because if I have 1 and I have 2, together I have 3. 1 plus 3 is 3 plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 1. So I think about 4, and 1 more is 5. Right? 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1 more is 5, 6. And please do this along with us. 6 plus 1, I think of 6, and then I add 1 more. 5, 6, 7, right? 1 plus 7, I think of 5, 6, 7, and 1 more. Jimmy, you need to do this with us. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 plus 8, I think about 8, and I do 1 more. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 plus 9 is, I have 9, and I add 1 more, I have 10. I shouldn't even need to count that. Right? Now I want to look at something cool. Okay. 2 plus 0. Yeah, make sure you only show me 1 and 2, otherwise it looks like you're saying 4. All right. 2. 3 plus 0. 3. 4 plus 0. 4. 5 plus 0. Don't show me 2 5s, it looks like 10. 5. 6 plus 0. 6. 7 plus 0.
What?
7. 8 plus 0.
What?
8. 9 plus 0. 9. 10 plus 0. 10. Right? Ooh. Okay, if you guys notice, look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? We go 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. Not 4. 2 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. Right? 2 plus 3. I can. 2 plus 3 is 5. Okay, 2 plus 4. 2 and 4 more. 4, 5, 6. Right? 2 plus 5. 5 and 2 more. 5, 6, 7. 6 plus 2, we go 6, 7, 8. What do you need?
Scissors.
There's scissors. There should be in one of the cups on my back desk or right over there. There should be a pair of, they're red. They might be on that thing I just copied, but laminated, but I don't think so. I think they're on my desk. 8. 7 plus 2. 7. 2 more. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh!
It looks like you did it on purpose.
Okay. 8 plus 2 more is 10. Very good. Now look at this. Not only is it a pattern, and it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then it goes 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then it goes 3. What do you think would be next?
4.
Show me on your fingers. Jimmy, sit up. Good gentleman. Thank you. 4. Hey, look at this. It also is a pattern this way. 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3. 4, 4, 4, 4. What do you think would go right here?
5.
5, right? And what about right here? 5. 4 plus 1. I could even do that. 4 plus 1 more is 5. Look at that. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. There is a pattern in that addition chart. Okay, and so they can help you by helping you recognize that pattern. Looking, if I'm adding 1 more, if I know 1 plus 1 is 2, and I add 1 plus 2, I know that's only going to be 1 more. That's 3, right? If I know 1 plus 2 is 3, then 1 plus 3 must be 1 more. 4, right? Use what you know to solve what you don't. Okay. If I have the problem, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Hello? Okay. All right, thank you. Will you let Cambry in, please?
Cambry's out.
Jimmy, take off your hood. You've already been asked 3 times. Okay. So there's that pattern in there. Now, do you think I could use this to help me solve things that I don't know? Yes, I could. If I have the problem, 7 minus 4. I can use that.
Number 1.
Okay, I would put 7 as my big one. I'd put 4 as one of my little ones. So if I'm doing an addition problem, I would go blank plus 4 equals 7. Right? I go backwards. Or 4 plus blank equals 7. 4 plus what equals 7? Well, look at that. There you go to 4 plus what equals 7? Well, 4 plus 2. If the next 4, 5, 6. 4 plus 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Look at that. So I could fill that in. A 3, a 3, and a 3. What? Mind blown. Kimberly, is that yours that you picked up? Then don't pick it up. If it doesn't belong to you, don't pick it up. Whose is that? Who ripped out a paper out of their thing? Turn it over, Cambry, please. Since you already touched it, turn it over. Turn it over. Turn it over. Is there a name on that side?
Valerie.
What page is that?
Lesson 13 problem set.
It has a page number. It's not a I don't know. Cambry, quit being so helpless. The page number is right there. 87 and 88. Some of you didn't bother to do it. Talk about it later. But Cambry, don't just say I don't know when you solve the problem by looking. Use your beautiful eyes. Do I expect you to know what that is? But I do expect you to look and say, oh, there's an 88. And even if you don't know the number 88, if you say there's an 88, then we can help you, right? And say, oh, that's 88. Okay? You don't need to know everything. You don't need to know everything. All right.
Louise, get in your seat. I don't care. Get back up. Sit in your seat.
Let's see. Let's try.
What?
Oh, 8 minus 4. Let's do 8 minus 4. I'm going to use that big old number line again, or number bond again. 8 minus 4 equals blank.
Over there.
Blank. Like we're going to have to fill out some more of this part. 3 plus 3, what would come next after 5? One more is 6. There you go. 3 plus 4. One more is just like 7 plus 3. 4 plus 3 equals 7. 3 plus 4 would also equal 7. Right? 3 plus 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if we followed our pattern, wouldn't that make sense? 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. So 4 plus 4 would also be 8. 5 plus 3 would also be 8, which we should know if 5 plus 3 is 8 and 3 plus 5 is 8, right? 6 plus 2 would then be 8. 7 plus 1 would be 8. And 8 plus 0 is 8. Look at that. So if 4 plus 3, 3 plus 4, 2 plus 5 is 7. Oh, then 5 plus 2 is definitely also 7. 6 plus 1, 7. Look at that. 5 plus 1, 5. One more is 6, plus it goes right along our pattern. Okay. 9 plus 0 is 9. 8 plus 1, 8, 9. That goes in our pattern too. 7 plus 2 would then be 9. 7, 8, 9. Right? 6 plus 3, 6. 7, 8, 9. Oh my goodness, it also goes right down that pattern line. 5 plus 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If 5 plus 4 is 9, then we know 4 plus 5 is 9. If 6 plus 3 is 9, then we know 3 plus 6 is 9. And look at that, 9, 9. Okay, 2 plus 8 is 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? 7 plus 3 is 10. 4 plus 6, if you know. Okay, there you go. Okay. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Also going down our pattern, we should know 5 plus 5 is 10. And 6 plus 4, if you know 4 plus 6 is 10, and 6 plus 4 is 10. If you know 3 plus 7 is 10, then you know 7 plus 3 is 10. 8 plus 2 then would also be 10 because 2 plus 8 is 10. Plus it's going down our pattern line. 9 plus 1 is 10. Right? Oh my goodness. Was that too hard? No, not when we follow through with our pattern. Right? I like your shoes and your outfit there, Cambry. That's very nice. Very nice. Okay, so let's see. Is this a subtraction thing? No, but could we find an addition problem that matches with 8 minus 4? Yes. So what you're going to look for is 4 plus what equals 8. So look through here. So look down your 8s. Is this a 4 plus something equals 8? No. Is this a 4 plus something equals 8? Is this a 4 plus something equals 8? Is this a 4 plus something equals 8? Oh, 4 plus 4 equals 8? What? It's got a 4. 4 plus 4 equals 8. That would go right in here. Ellie, you lost your mind. Okay, shh. We're not making Ellie feel bad. We just say Ellie made a goofy mistake. Are we gonna move on? Yeah, totally. Right? You made a goofy mistake. Learn from it. Shake it up. Shake it up. Shake it up. Okay. Very good. And so we would know 4 plus 4 equals 8. Very good. All right, I'm going to erase my stuff right over here. Excuse me, Jimmy. What did I say about you being disruptive to my class? Do you get to do it? No. No, you do not. So let's try that again. Instead of going blah, 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 being super disruptive, let's not be super disruptive. It's just that's cool. Okay, so we're going to keep going. What if we have 9 minus 4 equals what? Are we going to find a subtraction problem here? Yeah. No, but we're going to find 4 plus what equals 9. So we're going to look at our 4s. And we could actually just go through our 4s, or we could go up our 9s, but which one's going to take us longer? It's going to take us longer to go up this way, huh? Than to just go through our 4s. 4 plus 0 equals 4. 4 plus 1 equals 5. 4 plus 2 equals 6. 4 plus 3 equals 7. 4 plus 4 equals 8. Oh, 4 plus 5 equals 9. Hello? Okay. Claire's in kindergarten. That's okay. 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 So we found 4 plus 5 equals 9. So 9 minus 4 must equal 9 because 4 plus 5 equals 9. If I were to do my number bond with that, 9 would be in the big one, or in what? Mind blown. Look at that. Mind blown. I'm blowing your mind over here, Mrs. Squatrito. Okay. Okay, 9 minus 5 equals what? Well, guess what? I would go through my 5s. And I'd find 5 plus what equals 9? My 5s. 5 plus what equals 9? 5 plus 0 equals 5. 5 plus 1 equals 6. 5 plus 2 equals 7. 5 plus 3 equals 9. 5 plus 4 equals 9. Woohoo! So I know that 5 plus 4 equals 9. If I put that into my number bond, 9, and then it would be 5 and 4 and and 4. Goodness gracious. Kennison, losing her mind here. Go in that branch. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
My mind is not confused.
Your mind should not be confused. You use what we know to solve what we don't, right?
Well, I can see the bikes here.
Okay, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, in your work today, you get to fill out your own problem set. You get to do your own. Okay, if you are at home and you don't have the work, you can pause it and write it and fill it out. Okay, and then turn it in on Dojo. If you're in class, you need to do this in your workbooks. Wait, hold on, just wait for further instruction, okay? And then you're gonna fill it out, and then you're gonna turn it in on Dojo.
Well, what number is it?
Then guess what? You get a right. A related subtraction fact in the space below with its number bond.
Yeah.
Guess what?
Can we do it after?
You get to do any one you want, I guess. I guess that's it. Okay, so you need to use, just like here, you did 9 plus 5, and then you had to find it using your, like that's a related subtraction fact to your addition fact, 5 plus 4 equals 9. Okay? So you need to use your addition sheet, then you need to fill in the number bond. Make sure these ones at the bottom where the equal sign is on the opposite side don't confuse you. Jimmy, turn around and quit talking. Your equal is your total. Your biggest number goes here. So, if, for example, if we did 5 plus 4 equals 9 or 9 minus 5 equals 4, I guess these are subtractions. So your smallest one actually goes here. So it would go 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5 equals 4. Okay? 9 minus 5 equals 4. All right, so you need to do that. If you don't have this at home, just pause it, write it down, then do the work and turn it in on Dojo.
She said Dojo.
I said Dojo. That's what I said. You're doing problem set 38. I don't know the page number in your workbooks, but it's problem set 38. It is in there, Danny. Jimmy, do not sit there and tell her things you don't know.